application. The application is organized in the next way. We have library libpack folder with all the classes. Employee is the superclass, engineer, intern, manager are subclasses. Output is the folder will be written team.html. That's the file that will be generated after we insert all the info about our team. Screenshots are used in the README. Test are used to test all our classes, all the functions from our classes. And the main app is in the app.js. In order to start the application, we type node app, and it's asking what is employee's role in your team. So put manager. What is the manager email address? What is the manager office number? 2. Do you have more teammates that you want to add? Yes. We'll add an intern right now. What's the intern school name? Do you have more teammates? We'll add for each of the list. What is the employee's name again? Phil at gmail.com. Do you have more teammates that you want to add? We'll stop here. We'll put no. Successfully wrote the team.html in output folder. So we need to go to output folder. We open it and we found our file. Push on it, we open. And this is our file. We see that they are organized in the order: manager, engineer, intern, and employee. We have IDs, we have email addresses, and depending on the role, we have office, GitHub, school. In general, this is all. Thank you for watching.